One machine costs $200 million, and without it, no AI chip can exist. One company makes over half the world's semiconductors. Another has become the backbone of nearly every artificial intelligence breakthrough. These aren't just businesses, they're the 10 giants shaping our future. Miss them, and you'll miss the story of the next industrial revolution. NVIDIA Corporation started in the 1990s making graphics cards for gamers. But those GPUs, graphics processing units, turned out to be perfect for artificial intelligence. Today, NVIDIA powers everything from ChatGPT to drug discovery to self-driving cars. CEO Jensen Huang calls AI the most transformative technology platform of our time. The company's real moat is CUDA, its proprietary software platform that has locked in developers worldwide. Wall Street analysts now call NVIDIA the arms dealer of AI. Back in 2016, Stanford students trained an image recognition AI on a $1,200 NVIDIA gaming card. Fast forward to today, and the same architecture drives trillion-parameter AI models in billion-dollar data centers. The future it shapes? Every breakthrough in artificial intelligence, from curing diseases to autonomous factories, is likely to run on NVIDIA chips. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company, or TSMC, is the invisible backbone of modern technology. It manufactures chips for Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and countless others. TSMC produces more than half the world's semiconductors and is the only company mass-producing 3-nanometer chips, with transistors just a few atoms wide. Founder Morris Chang once said, "Without chips, modern life stops." Warren Buffett went even further. There's no company in the world that's more important. When Apple unveiled the iPhone 15, the headline wasn't its design, but the A17 processor inside, built with TSMC's 3-nanometer technology. That moment underscored how central TSMC has become to innovation worldwide. The future it shapes? TSMC is the linchpin of progress. From AI to smartphones to space exploration, the pace of human advancement relies on its ability to keep pushing Moore's law forward. ASML Holding, based in the Netherlands, makes one product, but it's the most important machine in technology. Its EUV lithography systems are enormous, bus-sized printers that use extreme ultraviolet light to etch billions of microscopic circuits onto silicon wafers. Without them, chips like Apple's A17 or NVIDIA's H100 would be impossible. Each EUV system costs over $200 million and requires parts from more than 50 countries. As CEO Peter Wennink explains, "You use our machines every day, you just don't know it." The future it shapes? ASML is the bottleneck of progress. If it stopped shipping tomorrow, the global digital economy, from smartphones to AI, would stall overnight. Palantir Technologies was born after September 11th, helping U.S. intelligence agencies track terrorists. Today, its Gotham and Foundry platforms are often described as the operating system for AI. CEO Alex Karp says, "We built Palantir for times like these, where chaos is the norm and clarity is power." Its software is used by hospitals to predict patient surges, by banks to detect fraud, and by militaries to anticipate threats. The future it shapes. Palantir is building the decision layer of AI, the bridge between raw data and real-world action. In the same way Microsoft Office became the universal tool for productivity, Palantir could become the universal tool for AI-driven decisions. Meta Platforms, parent of Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp, reaches nearly 4 billion users. Behind the scenes, its recommendation algorithms process trillions of interactions daily. Mark Zuckerberg has said, "AI will be the foundation of our future." Meta's influence isn't just social feeds. Its open-source LLama model has become one of the most widely used AI systems by developers worldwide. The future it shapes? Meta is turning social networks into AI-driven entertainment ecosystems while pouring billions into VR and AR. If the metaverse vision succeeds, Meta won't just connect people online. It could create the digital layer of everyday life. Alphabet, parent of Google, dominates search and advertising. But the rise of ChatGPT shook its empire for the first time. Google's DeepMind made history with AlphaGo, which defeated the world champion at Go. CEO Sundar Pichai said, "AI is more profound than electricity or fire." Now, Google is racing to reinvent search with Bard and Gemini, embedding generative AI into everything from Gmail to YouTube. The future it shapes? Google is evolving from a search engine into a knowledge engine, one that doesn't just answer your questions, but predicts what you'll need before you even ask. Axon Enterprise revolutionized policing with tasers, body cameras, and cloud-based evidence storage. In 2022, footage from one of its cameras helped overturn a wrongful conviction, a single recording that changed the course of someone's life. The future it shapes? Axon could become the nervous system of public safety. By combining real-time video, AI, and cloud data, it may transform how law enforcement and communities interact, making policing more effective and more accountable. Tesla Inc. is more than an electric car company. Elon Musk says, Tesla is the world's largest robotics company. Its full self-driving system trains on billions of real-world miles. Its custom-built Dojo supercomputer is one of the fastest AI training machines ever built, and Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, is designed to take on human-scale tasks. The future it shapes? Tesla is bringing AI off the screen and into the physical world, turning algorithms into machines that drive, walk, and eventually work alongside us. Amazon.com Inc. is much more than online shopping. Its AWS cloud division runs a huge share of the internet, powering Netflix, Zoom, and even US government servers. Founder Jeff Bezos summed it up best, "Your margin is my opportunity." Amazon also operates the largest logistics network on Earth, delivering billions of packages each year. Its scale is so vast, analysts say its delivery fleet would rank among the world's largest if it were a country. The future it shapes. Amazon is building the infrastructure of modern life. AWS for the digital economy, and its logistics empire for the physical one. Microsoft Corporation already dominated productivity software with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Now, through its multi-billion-dollar partnership with OpenAI, it's embedding AI into every layer of work. CEO Satya Nadella says, "AI is the next platform shift, as big as the internet." Microsoft 365 is rolling out AI copilots that write text, analyze data, and design presentations. GitHub Copilot already helps developers code. Azure Cloud delivers AI tools to companies worldwide. The future it shapes? Microsoft is building the AI workplace, where software doesn't just respond, it collaborates with you. So how do these giants align? Infrastructure, short-term, NVIDIA, TSMC, ASML, the picks and shovels of the AI gold rush. Consumer, short-term, Meta, Google, Amazon, AI shaping billions of daily lives. Applied AI, long-term, Tesla, Palantir, Axon, taking intelligence into the real world. Enterprise, long-term, Microsoft, embedding AI into how global business operates. Together, these 10 giants are the blueprint of the future economy. So, who do you think will be the first to hit a $5 trillion valuation? Comment your pick below. I'll feature the sharpest takes in a future video. These 10 giants aren't just companies. They're the pillars of the next industrial revolution. From chips to AI, from cloud to safety, they already shape how we work, live, and think. The future isn't coming. It's already here. The question is, will you be ready when it arrives?